The major objective of the National Council on Climate Change, when established, is to mainstream all climate change responses and actions into government policy and implementation.
For an act to provide a legal framework for the mainstreaming and climate change responses and actions into government policy formulation, implementation, and the establishment of the National Council on Climate Change.
3 motions were also considered, all bordering on investigation. These include the investigation of operational activities of Web Fountain Nigeria Limited in Nigeria's Customs Service Information and Communication Technology between 2013 and 2017, as moved by Representatives Alagbaoso from Imo State and 10 other members, and the need to investigate the handling of import duty revenue, waivers and bonds on import duties collected by the Nigerian Customs Service from 2010 to date, moved by Representatives Faleke from Lagos State and 14 others, were adopted.
The House believes that Web Fountain appears to be losing interest in Nigeria and consequently does not deliver its services, having transferred majority of its shares abroad.
But in most cases, the waivers were used to import goods not listed on the approval.
Honorable colleagues, the truth of the matter is when you put up an investigative motion, the rule of the House says we should not debate it so that we don't preempt issues.
The legislators also resolved to investigate alleged unremitted 115 billion naira to the Federal Inland Revenue Service by ministries, departments and agencies and banks, as moved by Representative Jerome Amadi from Rivers State.
Well, the House also passed 2 bills for first reading, and one of them is a bill that seeks to amend the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation.
Meanwhile, the House of Representatives Ad-Hoc Committee on Revenue Leakages in the Oil Sector and Activities of the Department of Petroleum Resources has directed the Petroleum Product Marketing Company, PPMC, to provide evidence of remittances of $245 million to the Consolidated Revenue Fund from the sale of fuel oil and naphtha.
For us as a parliament, what we are interested in is evidences of remittances of what you have told us you have earned.
This is one of the ongoing investigative hearing by the Committee on Revenue Leakages in the Oil Sector. From the National Assembly, Ignatius Nkwo, NTA News.